Hello and welcome to JollyCrafts. Here we are going to learn how to fold an origami fancy heart. You can use half a piece of paper, but you can also use a full-size piece of paper. Step 1. Fold it in half. Step 2. Unfold. Step 3. Fold the upper square in half both ways. Step 4. Fold the upper square in half. Repeat for the bottom square. Step 5. Sink in the middle line of the square and squash the top down. Repeat for the other square. Step 6. Turn it over. Step 7. Fold the square top corner to the bottom corner. Step 8. Turn it over. Step 9. Fold the top and bottom flaps sideways. It should look like this. Step 8. Pull one of the flaps to the center. Then open it and squash it down. It should have a square shape at the top. Repeat for the other 3 flaps. Step 9. Do the kite fold on all 4 squares. Step 10. Just like you did with the small squares, move the flap, aka kite fold, to the middle, open it, and then squash it down. One bit should look like this. Repeat with the other 7. It might be a little tricky to open the kite folds, so a tip is to use your nails. Step 10. Turn it over. Step 11. Now, fold the two corners that are poking out at the sides into the middle. Turn it over. And now it's done.